Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll share with you some of my favorite art supplies and the one that I use the most in my daily projects. Before we step in, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should do it. There is a lot of creative content there also. And now let's start with the calligraphy tools. I have 3 nib holders, 2 classical and an oblique one. Also, I use a lot of pencils while practicing calligraphy or sketching some other illustrations, and I have some different types. Moving next to the brush pens, I have some black ones from Faber-Castell, Manuscript and Pigma. I also like to use white gel pens. Here I have one from Signo and another one from Sakura. I use some microns also, a black one and a blue one. I think they are 02. Some other gel pens in gold and silver, and markers from Staedtler. I also have some colored pencils. I don't use them a lot, but it's good to have them. Moving next to the brushes, I have some different shapes and sizes. And also 2 painting knives, a metallic one and a plastic one. This is a brush that has its own water tank. I use it when doing lettering and also sometimes in my watercolor projects. Here I have some different markers, some classical ones, some brush markers, and some of them that are being used for textiles. Here I have some various brushes and pens. These ones are for textiles. I have for ceramics also. Some metallic brush markers, some of them from Ecoline, a few from Artline, a marker that I use for black chalkboard. These are some very nice pens from Papermate. I've used them a lot in my projects. Some more brush pens from Faber-Castell and a lot more. Passing next to this big box, here I have some gouache colors. I did a try on with them, maybe you've seen the video. Then some watercolors that are a little bit dirty. I have a big white acrylic tube because I use a lot of white for changing some other shades of colors, like these ones. I have some different colors from pen art. I have some small tubes from Crelando. And some other ones from Daco. Here is a pouring medium from pen art that I use for acrylics dilution in the pouring technique projects. And some silicone oil for adding effects. For varnishing, I use this one from Amsterdam in a satin shade. Passing next to these long brushes with wood handles. And this calligraphy brush that honestly I've never used. It is for Chinese calligraphy and I didn't have time to study and practice it. That was for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please tell me in the comments if you want some more details about some supplies that you've seen, or maybe some recommendations or some reviews about one of them. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!